Hey everybody, Bo here. Hey, check it out. I am excited to share with you this waterproof circuit breaker. I stumbled upon this product. You could use it as an inline breaker or it has mounts. And I love how it goes together. You simply make sure you put your wire through there first, and same with that. And then if you look on the inside, there's a ring, and you can take that ring out if you need more space. I was able to put 10 gauge right in there without having to take it out, and it was perfect. I already installed one. All right, I'm gonna also show you the one that I installed. All right, here's the one I already installed. So I have it by my controller, and so far so good. I absolutely like it. See, like I say, you just take that off, put that on, and it was easy to bring the wires through like that. I did buy two, and you're going to want two because it's always good to have a backup, but I'm going to use one for my refrigerator, and it'll be under the sink, and being waterproof under the sink is a good thing. So I got 30 amp to match my solar controller, but they come in all types of different amperages. So very cool. You press the button and that on, and that breaks it. So I'm using it as my solar to disconnect, and I'm gonna use it for a disconnect on a refrigerator. That's it from here. Hope this helps you out. Until next time, this is Bo. See ya.